The H10 London Waterloo is a 4-star hotel located in the centre of London. If you're arriving into London by train, the hotel is just a 10-minute walk from Waterloo Station. If you're arriving in London via Euston, Waterloo is just a short underground ride on the Northern Line. This hotel is great for sightseeing. It's located just a 15-minute walk from Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, Westminster Abbey and the London Eye. It's at this point in the video that I should admit that I wasn't on this trip, so I am reporting based on the thoughts of my family. They stayed in a triple room with a king-size bed and sofa bed. The room was very spacious and had great facilities, including a safety deposit box, iron, free bottled water, a kettle, minibar and a flat screen TV. In the bathroom you'll find robes and slippers provided. We paid £322 for this room for one night on a weekday in October, which may sound expensive, but it's not too bad for a hotel in central London. The main attraction at the H10 is the Sky Bar, where you can enjoy a drink with panoramic views of the London skyline. From the terrace you can see the London Eye and the Shard. That's it for today's Rob on Holiday. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when we upload a new video.